Dude, on my YouTube channel, I am playing Jump Shooter again. Oh, I already beat this level. Be back on track. Oh yes, I've been to the very end. I'm gonna be good. No! I'm so close! Alright, y'all, let's play Temple Run. Guys, this is the funniest game in the world, Temple Run. So, and you hear my brother in the background. Oh no, not play this. I can't hear anything. The tablet can't. Okay, make sure you subscribe this after this. I'm playing Roblox. Yo, this is the... Yo. Hey. I played this game many more than once. So... I don't want to play this game anymore. It's too trash. Play me some Roblox. That ain't working either. Or watch me some YouTube. Well, watch me some.
Is this my little brother George?
Ooh, they so funny.
I'm Peppa Pig. Is this my little brother George? Llora, nene, llora, llora. Llora, nene, llora, llora.
your best friend. Hello, bestie.
Oh my
Do
God,
you
look
know
at the
why we're
dog.
best friends? Because everybody else sucks. And because we are best friends, we'll pick you up whenever you fuck. After I'm done laughing at you. Hey, at least I'm being honest like a true friend. I take a fucking bullet for you.
Ooh, I'd better not. Ooh, they gonna cut the dog away. Ooh, no. Look at that boy. Okay. This. Is he funny? Should I pick this?
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Those are the kind of escapes that just. Oh shoot! I guess we're going this way again. Go. Go. Ah!
Thank you guys. I'm distracted here, bungos.
Go guys, climb the fence.
Hey,
climb it like a
come up
ladder.
to me.
Just walk against it. Just walk against it.
I did it.
Yeah. Yo, he's
Oh,
coming
great.
again. Do this one. What the? I found a bungo right here. Yeah, go in the elevator.
Ooh, like the monkey eat the banana.
When it comes to adventuring through Dreamland,
Oh, I'm kind of tired, but it's okay.
Animation forces anything. Walked up to a microphone stand and he said to the goose, run in the stand. Hey, I don't think you'll be much competition for me. I mean, my animator was literally...
I'm Peppa Pig.
A nice day to be in Russia, am I right?
Sweaty, knees weak.
You will
Ooh, look at the dog.
You will.
Ooh, look at them eat the turkey. Okay, let's see this tiger.
What is a Caillou? Can I?
This one.
Mommy, what is a Caillou? Can I get Minecraft on my PC? Sure, sweetie. Now, is it for free?
Oh, he
No,
wants to
it's
fly.
actually a $30 fee.
How do
Oh,
you do
heck
that?
no, that's a very high cost. Come on, Mommy, that's not a high cost. Why don't you play another game? Well, what other game is there to play? Fortnite? No.
Alright guys, Gmod a bunga chase, but when the bunga finds me, the video ends. Oh shoot! Why? Why do you do me like that? We just started. No, I'm not losing this quick. I'm not losing this quick. I'm gonna go. Oh, chill out, dude. It's not your furniture, man.
Look at the tiger eating turkey.
Working backstage, I needed a moisturiser that would.
Alright, make sure you subscribe. Thanks.